TalentLMS makes it easy to group your users and deliver training at scale. Assign courses to entire teams in seconds and keep everything running smoothly. Let's see how it works. First off, let's create the group. From your menu sidebar, go to Groups, followed by Add Group. Give it a name and a description, then click Save. Tip: to save time later, it's best practice to enable auto-enrollment at this stage. Just check the box labeled Auto-enroll users to courses. This ensures that any new users you add to the group will automatically get access to its courses. Next, start adding courses to your group. Click on the Course tab, then Add Course, and select the desired courses one by one. Then move to the Users tab, click Add User, and again, start adding users one by one in the group. To assign courses to users, hover on a user and click here to synchronize the user with the group courses, or click the Mass Actions button followed by Enroll Users to Group Courses to synchronize them all at once. Want to automate this process and save time by allowing the system to assign courses to users upon registration? As an admin, navigate to Account and Settings, click on the Users tab and scroll to User Defaults. Click on the default group and select the desired group from the drop-down menu. Then click Save. From now on, all new users on your portal will automatically be assigned to these courses. Quick note: there can only be one default group, so it's recommended to include courses that all new users need to be assigned to when they first log into your system. Alternatively, you can also allow users to self-register to a group. Go to Groups, select your desired group, and move to the Info tab. Check Assign Group Key and copy the generated key or add your custom one. Click Save to confirm your settings. Now, the learners can hover on their name, select My Groups, click Join Group, and enter the group key you previously set up as an administrator. Great! They're now a member of the group, assigned with all its courses. With groups in TalentLMS, managing training is faster, smarter, and more organized, so you can focus on what really matters: helping your teams grow.